My friend Gail makes the best lasagna ever, and I'm absolutely craving it, but I don't want the carbs. I'm gonna sub out those fattening carb-filled noodles for zucchini. Many of these low-carb recipes are recipes that you make exactly like you would if it had the carbs in it, and that's the case here. We're gonna sub the noodles for zucchini, but all the other ingredients are exactly the same for making lasagna. We're gonna start with a meat sauce. I made this with Wagyu ground beef, which is pasture raised and all organic feed. There's the canned Marzano tomatoes and some seasoning. Prepared my ricotta cheese with basil from my wonderful neighbor's garden, an egg, and salt, pepper. I'll be using the shredded cheddar cheese that I love from New Zealand, that are from cows that are pasture raised and grass fed. And this quattro formaggi from Trader Joe's. It's already shredded. It's a little drier than this cheddar cheese. Parmesan Romano cheese from Trader Joe's on the top. And of course my zucchini. Didn't have a mandolin to cut my zucchini, so I just used my little carrot peeler here. They turned out very, very thin. I laid them on some paper towels, sprinkled them with salt, and let the water drain out of them. So hopefully they won't be too watery. I'm using a half tray aluminum tin that I sprayed with cooking spray. So we're gonna start with the meat sauce. Put a generous amount to cover the bottom of the tin. I have no idea how this is gonna go, because these are very, very thin. For the ricotta, .350-degree oven for 30 minutes. It's cooked for 30 minutes and it doesn't look like much, but it tasted excellent. It really doesn't taste like low carb at all. I don't miss the noodles at all. Yummy.
Really?
Do you like it, honey?
That actually is really, really good.
Do you miss the noodles?
There's no noodles?
No, it's
That's excellent.
zucchini.
Thank you, darling.
You're welcome.
Okay, bye.